Hey babe, you gotta come try this.
Well, you don't have to ask me twice. Wait, hold up. This is the KFC chicken bowl?
Kinda.
Kinda? Looks just like it. Mmm.
What do you think?
This is really good.
And you'll never even guess, it's not takeout, it's a redo. I'm feeling redo with Lulu.
This is what you're doing?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So what is this? Because this is delicious.
So this is, instead of mashed potatoes and crispy fried chicken, it's mashed cauliflower and crispy tofu instead.
Wow.
With my own vegan gravy.
This
Yes.
is really good. Well, I think I need one more bite. That's how good it is.
Save me some. Welcome to Redo with Lulu. Today we are redoing KFC's famous bowl. This version is vegan, but definitely just as comforting and if not tastier than the original. If you're interested in seeing how I do this redo, keep on watching. Let's preheat the oven to 350 and prep our tofu. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze out some extra moisture using some paper towels. I'm using extra firm tofu, by the way. Now let's also boil some filtered water with sea salt. And if you put the lid on, it makes it boil even faster. For this recipe, we're roasting corn, and I find it so much easier to leave the husk intact and roast it first and then remove it. It makes it way easier. With the NutriBullet, we're gonna go ahead and make a paste with garlic and onion, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with this later. Now take one cauliflower head, rinse it thoroughly, and chop it into pieces. They should be small, just like this. Boil the cauliflower for about 10 to 15 minutes or until soft. Now let's saute that paste we made earlier in some olive oil. Now for the best part of this redo, this vegan gravy. So we're mixing together 1/3 cup of flour to 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast flakes. Slowly add in the flour and nutritional yeast mixture to your saute on the stove and mix thoroughly, adding a little bit at a time until everything is fully combined. Next, add 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos. So this is a healthier alternative that I've recently found. This is an alternative for soy sauce. I use it for everything, including this vegan gravy, rice. It's just amazing. So I'll link the information in the description box. This recipe calls for about 2 cups of almond milk, but for the perfect consistency, you want to make sure that you're adding in a little by little, all while mixing until everything is fully blended. Okay, so now that the consistency is looking right, let's go ahead and season it. So I'm adding to taste some black pepper, some sea salt, and some dry thyme. I was looking for fresh thyme at the grocery store, but they didn't have it, so this dry thyme will do, but in the future I'll definitely probably use fresh herbs. And I like to spice it up just a little bit with a hint of cayenne pepper. So our cauliflower has been boiling for about 10 minutes now, so let's go ahead and whip up some mashed cauliflower no potatoes. So I'm adding a little bit of almond milk, some sea salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Keep blending until it's the consistency that you like, and I'm also opting to add in some green onions. Ooh, that looks so delicious. Next, let's go ahead and fry up our chicken.
Did she just say fried chicken? I thought she was vegan.
This is actually a recipe for crispy fried tofu, but I'm telling you this is way better than fried chicken. Cut your tofu into bite-sized pieces and add it to a batter made of nutritional yeast and flour, and fry in olive oil in a cast iron skillet until crispy. Remember that corn from earlier? The husks slide off so easily after roasting them. Now the best part, let's assemble our KFC famous bowl. So we have mashed cauliflower, no potatoes, crispy fried tofu, and roasted corn. And ooh, that gravy is looking so good. First, layer some mashed cauliflower, no potatoes. And to that, we're gonna add some of that sweet roasted corn. And on top of it all, we're adding this crispy popcorn fried tofu. Ooh, this is so delicious. And lastly, we're gonna add this super rich, super creamy vegan gravy. Oh, that looks so good. And there you have it, the KFC famous bowl, Lulu style. For this recipe and more, check out my website, lululoveslife.com. If you loved this video, please thumbs up, and as always, if you love Lulu, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and share the love. Thanks for watching.